Number 1.
1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,900, features an automatic transmission and comes in a burgundy exterior paired with a gray interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a strong 383 CUI stroker engine equipped with a Phytec injection system. The truck also includes stainless steel headers and a true dual exhaust setup, contributing to its impressive performance. It rides on almost new mag wheels and tires, and the beefed-up TH350 transmission combined with a 3.04 rear end ensures solid power delivery. The Sierra is equipped with a roll-lock bed cover, along with a bedliner and cargo stop for added practicality. Inside, it has a nicely customized interior complemented by custom gauges. The paint is in excellent condition with no rust, the body remains straight, and all the glass is in good shape. Owned by the same person for the last 30 years, the truck both looks great and runs exceptionally well, offering plenty of power. It is not set up to pass emissions in Phoenix, but it has approximately 10,000 miles on the drivetrain.
Number 2.
1992 Ford Flareside, price $6,000, shows approximately 134,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission, paired with a clean and striking burgundy exterior. The truck's paint remains in excellent condition, with no rust and a straight, solid body that highlights how well it has been preserved over the years. Inside, the cabin is well kept, maintaining its original look and comfort, and it sits on a set of great tires that enhance both appearance and drivability. Out on the road, it runs strong, looks impressive, and delivers plenty of power, making it a dependable and appealing option for anyone seeking a nicely maintained classic Flareside.
Number 3.
1993 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,000, shows approximately 185,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission for easy driving. It comes in a matching brown exterior and brown interior, giving it a classic, original appearance. Powered by the durable 7.4L 454 V8 engine in a 2WD setup, the truck runs strong and reliably. Although the air conditioning needs to be serviced, many important components have already been refreshed, including a new aluminum radiator, new hoses, and a recent full service. With its gasoline powertrain and heavy-duty build, this Chevy 3500 remains a solid workhorse that is ready for daily use or hauling needs.
Number 4.
1992 Nissan Truck, price $9,495, shows just about 114,000 miles, a strong indication that it has been lightly used throughout its lifetime, averaging less than 4,000 miles per year, which is notably low for a vehicle of its age. It is equipped with a 4-speed automatic transmission and powered by a 3.0L naturally aspirated V6 SOHC 12-valve engine, a combination known for its smooth power delivery and dependable long-term performance. The truck presents itself beautifully with a bright red exterior, a color that highlights its classic early 90s design. Inside, the cabin features a matching red cloth interior, offering a warm and comfortable environment that adds to its nostalgic charm. As a gasoline-powered vehicle, it delivers consistent driving characteristics and remains easy to maintain.
Number 5.
1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. This truck has approximately 83,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission, a brown exterior, a tan interior, and runs on gasoline. It is a 4x4 truck powered by a rebuilt 350 engine equipped with an aluminum intake and a 4-barrel carburetor. It also has a new aluminum radiator, a completely new brake system with all new components, new white spoke wheels paired with new Goodyear Wrangler tires, and a new electric fuel pump along with a new fuel tank. The truck is largely original and has been in the same family for over 35 years, originally owned by the seller's father. It runs, drives, and stops as it should, and comes with a clean Texas title and the owner's name.
Number 6.
2000 Chevrolet S10, price $4,995. It has approximately 150,000 miles on it and runs with an automatic transmission. Finished in clean white exterior paint with a gray interior, it operates on gasoline and delivers reliable performance. It is powered by a 2.2L SFI gas/ethanol flex fuel engine, giving this rear-wheel drive truck enough strength for daily driving or work needs. The truck features welded double wall box sides for added durability and built-in load tie-down anchors. Riding on classic 15-inch Argent steel wheels, it offers a smooth driving experience, while the power front disc and rear drum brakes provide confident stopping power. Inside, the cabin is equipped with a comfortable 3-passenger bench seat, complete with dual cup holders and a deluxe steering wheel.
Number 7.
1996 Toyota Tacoma, price $7,000. This truck has approximately 184,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. It comes in a green exterior with a gray interior, and is powered by a 2.7L 4-cylinder gasoline engine. Known for its reliability and fuel efficiency, the truck features manual locking front hubs along with selectable 4-wheel drive, making it a dependable choice for both daily driving and off-road use. Despite having some rust typical for its age, it remains a strong running and driving vehicle, maintaining the classic durability Tacoma trucks are known for. Recent maintenance includes a new muffler, brake lines, tires, and battery, and the bed liner is still in good condition. It also comes with a clean title in hand.
Number 8.
1973 Ford F100, price $5,500, powered by an 8-cylinder 5.9L engine paired with an automatic transmission. The dashboard currently shows 88,714 miles, though the seller is not certain if the mileage is accurate due to the truck being an unfinished project. It has an 8-foot bed, though the bed floor does show rust, and the truck overall runs, drives, and stops not perfectly, but it is functional. Several new components have recently been installed, including new wires, plugs, a carburetor, and a gas tank. The cab floor panels are rotted out, and the cab corners also have rust. The chassis shows surface rust as well, but it still appears solid and structurally sound. Despite its cosmetic and structural needs, the truck has strong bones and offers a solid foundation for someone who wants to complete the restoration.
It is being sold strictly as an unfinished project in as-is condition.
A clean and clear New York title is in hand.
Number 9.
1987 Chevrolet C10, price $6,800, shows approximately 150,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, finished in a classic red exterior paired with a matching red interior. The truck is powered by a built 350 engine that has been matched to a dependable 350 transmission, giving it strong and consistent performance. Instead of fuel injection, it uses a Holley carburetor, offering a more traditional and responsive driving feel. Several important components have been refreshed, including a new alternator, a new fuel tank, and a full set of new tires that improve both reliability and road comfort. In the rear, the truck features a flip kit, giving it a lower stance and a more aggressive look while also enhancing stability. On the road, it runs and drives well, showing that it has been kept in good mechanical condition.
Number 10.
1972 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500. It has approximately 69,000 miles on it and comes with a manual transmission, a blue exterior with matching blue interior, and runs on gasoline.
The truck spent most of its life on a farm and is currently with its second owner. It remains largely original, with the only changes being the exhaust system and the rear bumper. Under the hood, it still carries its original factory markings, and it is indeed a long bed model. The truck does have some minor rust, and it will need a new water pump before it can be driven regularly, but once that's replaced it's ready to cruise around town and turn heads. It is powered by the original 307 engine paired with its original carburetor, along with the classic 3-on-the-tree column-shifted manual setup.